So I don't know if you saw this article today, but Goldman Sachs actually just put out an updated prediction on a previous home price prediction that they had. So January 10th, Goldman Sachs, I thought this was pretty interesting. They predicted that U.S. home prices would actually fall 6.1%. But just today, I believe today, February 6th, they updated that. Instead of 6.1% percent in prices falling in 2023, they think it's going to be 2.6% falling. So it's still going to be a deficit, so a decrease in national home prices, but they've updated it to be, definitely less than half of what they thought it was going to be. So I thought that was pretty surprising, because most institutions and most companies and most, I feel like the common thought is that, prices for home prices in the United States is going to go down for this year and maybe even next year. But I wonder what, they're kind of looking at there. I know, our local market, and, we both agree that, real estate is definitely a local market, and that what happens in each specific location can be a little bit different across the country, or even just a few states away. But in Orange County, I feel that I haven't really sensed prices kind of coming down that much. We potentially could have a couple percentage decrease in home appreciation. But again, like I keep going back to inventory, our inventory is still pretty dang low. The last couple of weeks we've seen prices go up a little bit in multiple offers, because rates have come down a little bit. Just it was actually quite fascinating. Just Thursday of last week, we broke 6% interest rates, and we've been above 6% for 6 months, but unfortunately now we're back up to 6.4%. Today we had another big bump up in price, in interest rates. But I wonder why Goldman Sachs kind of updated I feel like that was a quick update to their article just January 10th. So less than a month away, they updated their figure there on what prices are going to do for this year. Makes me think, what information they're looking at. Maybe they, just as new information comes up with sales and rates and all that, that they're quickly learning that prices aren't, doing a double-digit fall. Like, again, some people are assuming and hoping that happens. And so I look forward to kind of seeing what Goldman Sachs has to say in the future.